We were told as kids, on Earth Day we pick up garbage to show the earth we care. It was a day of working together and a day off from the classroom. But Earth Day is a day just like most days that we dedicate to someone or something, a way for humans to feel better about forgetting the rest of the year. We should all try to reduce the amount of garbage we create every day of the year. It is important that the waste that we do create is disposed of properly, as picking it up off the streets is not the answer. It will only help reduce the amount of garbage in the environment. I would like to think that we all know enough not to litter, but the amount of trash I see on my walks makes it hard to believe. I used to feel sick to my stomach seeing trash everywhere, selfishly directing my anger at other people who are obviously careless. Now I take ownership for my part in it. The majority of that trash is not from the classic throw it out your window trash bag. Just because you put your waste into your garbage can and put it at the end of your road for pickup does not mean it has made it to the landfill. Over 80% of the plastic in our oceans leak from land-based sources, even if you don't live anywhere near it. And if you think that doesn't affect you, you're wrong. Plastic does not break down. Over time, it will erode into microplastics, which will float in the ocean forever. Animals end up eating these sharp plastics, leaking chemicals into their bodies and into your food. Here in North America, the Great Lakes are an unfortunate good example of how trash can travel. 80% of the litter along the shorelines is plastic, which floats through the St. Lawrence and into the Atlantic Ocean. But we don't think that big as humans. You don't think about the Tim Hortons cup that you threw into the public trash bin thinking you've done the right thing, when the wind blows it out, onto the street, washed away by water, now floating down the nearest river into the closest lake. Wouldn't it be easier to bring your reusable coffee mug? During this time of the virus, it is not possible to avoid waste if you're going out into the world. What is possible is changing our habits to maybe make that coffee at home, completely taking away the chance of that trash ending up somewhere it was never meant to be. I believe a big part of the reason not everyone is on board with being more eco-friendly is because it disturbs our convenience that we as humans have worked so hard to create. In conclusion, taking time out of your day to pick up garbage around you and disposing of it properly not only is good for Mother Earth, but it makes you think about your own waste you create. And in your personal life, thinking about how you can reduce the chance of being part of that plastic in the ocean. I know we don't want to think about our habits, but that's the first step in making a difference, is realizing your habits can help change the world.